This 2024 CrossRoads Zinger ZR390DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.